Oh yeah, Pete, check this out. Oh yeah, the drain's installed. Okay, I've been working on the shower area, as you can see. Check that out. We're going to talk about that flex tape. The reason we're going to talk about that flex tape, I was trying to install these plastic beadings in the corner, and it was impossible, you know, because obviously I haven't got no beading around the actual PVC itself. So basically what was happening, it was flexing, and as you can see it's like a centimetre gap. So in between, the flex tape's covered that now. That flex tape is rubber, so it's not going to leak. No water's going to come out of there or anything. I will put some silicone in there as well. I was starting to do it, but I got a bit lazy. But guys, let me talk about this flex tape, because you're going to love this idea. Right, obviously if you follow my videos, I want my van to be light as possible, and this thing is really light, really light. So the wood, obviously the wood's the heaviest thing, 1 by 1, but that flex tape, the adhesive's so strong, when you peel the tape itself, you need to actually use 2 hands to pull it, and it's so strong. I'm not sure what they got in there, but the adhesive in there is super strong. I think the guy who makes it, his name's Philip Swift. So it can patch, bond, seal, repair. Look guys, I'm telling you now, these things what you see on TV, usually when you buy it they don't do what it says, right? Example, this stuff works and it is so strong. Example, I've got a bubble here, so I tried to peel it and it nearly broke the plastic, so I just left it. I'm not really bothered about that, because what I'm going to do now, you know them adhesive squares, I'll be putting some adhesive squares, so when I get some more of this tape, I'm going to tape everything up, everything what needs sealing, and then I'm going to tile, and the tiles will go over that and you won't see no tape. So example, that is watertight now and it's fucking strong. Sorry my language, but that stuff is strong. The only bad thing I'm going to tell you, because they say you can work it on nearly any material, wood, plastic, metal. I tried it on metal and plastic. The bond is just crazy. If you've got rough wood, it doesn't stick well. So when you put it on there, it won't stick. But if it's nice and smooth, like down here, see what I mean? That ain't coming off. That is really strong. But if it's rough like that, it doesn't stick for some reason. I'm not sure why. But the adhesive looks like you can't grab that. But metal, plastic, I would highly recommend it. So I used flex tape here. I'll be using it on every single corner, as I said. The reason I didn't use the bath stuff, what you get in your normal home base, let me show you. The adhesive's not strong. It's just like, to be honest, like duct tape. This is like 20 times stronger than duct tape, and this is not technically, waterproof. It's not 100% waterproof. It's only to prevent water from not going under the bath sills or whatever. But I have used it here on the outside, because this is not going to get wet, and obviously this will be ton and grooved here, so chop this down, ton and groove it. But I'll be using some of that inside here under, because obviously it ain't got a lip, and I want it to look nice. I don't want to see that tape inside here. To be honest, when I bought that tape, I thought it was the same colour as this, because when they advertise it, it looks like the same colour as that, but it's not. It's like a, I don't know, it's got like a cloudy white yellow tint to it, but it's good, it's strong. So that's the main thing, and I know for a fact that's going to last for life. So yeah, that's that. Pretty hard to like paste though, because the tape is really strong. It's like a strong plastic rubber. So what I did before I put it on like that, I folded it over, obviously like so. Let me, hold on, like so, and then I creased it, and then I put it in the corner, and then I put it on. But I've got one little bump there, but it's cool, it's cool. But yeah guys, if you like what you see, like and subscribe, and smash that like button, comment below, and hopefully that little tip what I just gave you help you on some projects, because you can use it on lots of different stuff, trust me. So cool. Hobbies and Gadgets now signing out. Peace.